Hello everyone, welcome to Commodities Podcast. This is 𝗀𝗍𝗃 from Sharekhan BNP Paribas. Today we have an update on silver. COMEX silver price had given an upward trendline breakout along with price moving in sideways range. Expect upside move in the counter. However, key resistance hold at $31.75 and break above will surge the price further up till $32.50 and $33.40 level in near term. On the downside, key support hold at $29.50 and break below will act as a trend reversal. MCX silver price is moving in sideways range and price holding downside support at 92,000 level indicates short-term trend is bullish. However, key resistance hold at 93,500 level and break above will surge the price further up till 94,500 and 95,300 level in near term. The price indicator MACD is bullish. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.